Welcome to Second Wind. We have been providing residents of the Midlands with heating, cooling, plumbing, and generator services since 1985. I'm Tyler Forbes, the sales manager of Second Wind Heating and Air Conditioning. Our team has been chosen by families for our dedication to comfort, highly trained technicians, and high-quality service. Second Wind has been selected over 30 times by local publications as a winning and trusted HVAC company. Our courteous, knowledgeable, and professional team provide customers with award-winning home comfort care, from upgrading your system, equipment repairs, and affordable maintenance agreements. Second Wind is your go-to home service company for all HVAC, plumbing, generator, and home servicing needs.